Alright guys, so here we have a 2009 Chevy HHR, and we're going to change the headlight, just the bulb replacement. So watch this and I'll show you how easy it is. Alright, you're going to need two tools. You're going to need a 7mm socket and a ratchet or a wrench, a screwdriver or some kind of tool to remove the plastic nuts. Now we've got a plastic nut here, and then a 7mm here, and we're going to just pop these out. You can use a screwdriver for this, but if you have a panel tool like this, it makes them come out a lot easier. So we're just going to pop those out real quick. This is not a headlight where you can change under the hood, so we get those two out. We have a 10mm bolt we're going to take out right here. It's not in there tight, but it's a little long-winded. Alright, so once you get the screw out and those two, you can just lift this panel open like this. And you can stick your hand in here, and you're just going to reach inside and right behind the headlight, you're going to twist it counterclockwise. And then you'll pull the whole entire headlight out with the wire. Then you can turn it around, and there's a little push tab right here where you can push it with your thumb, release it, and then we'll put a new light in, snap that back in place. Try not to touch the bulb. One thing you want to make sure is when your old bulb comes out, the gasket comes off with it. Sometimes the gasket will stick in there, and you can't put a new bulb in if there's still a gasket there, so you'll have to reach in and pull that old gasket out. And then you'll just reach up there, find the hole, put it in, and then you're going to rotate it clockwise till it locks. That's it. Then we'll just snap these plastic nuts back in place, reinstall the screw, and there you have it. Headlight 2009 Chevy HHR. I think that's the same from 2006 to 2010. So don't pay somebody a lot of money to do that. The headlight you can pick up at AutoZone for like $10, or your favorite auto parts store. I'll put a link for headlights at Amazon if you want to order them in the bottom of this. 1, 2, 3, that's it. So there's another video. You guys enjoy it. Thanks.